Mastering the Art of Imitation. Mirror the pattern, explained. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an intriguing English phrase that can be a game changer in your language learning journey. Mirror the pattern. Understanding this concept will not only enhance your English skills but also give you insight into how to improve in other areas of learning. So, let's break down what it means to mirror the pattern and how you can apply it effectively. Mirror the pattern is a phrase that essentially means to imitate or replicate a specific pattern or model. In the context of language learning, it refers to the practice of closely copying the way native speakers use language. This includes their pronunciation, intonation, choice of words, and even body language during communication. Why is this important? Because mirroring the pattern of native speakers can significantly accelerate your learning process. It helps you grasp not just the grammar and vocabulary, but also the nuances and rhythm of the language, making your own speech more natural and fluent. Listen and observe. Start by listening to native speakers as much as possible. This could be through movies, TV shows, podcasts, or even conversations in real life. Pay close attention to how they pronounce words, the flow of their speech, and how they use language in different contexts. Practice and repeat. Try to replicate what you've heard by practicing aloud. Repeat phrases, sentences, or even longer speeches to get the rhythm and pronunciation right. Recording yourself and comparing it to native speakers can be incredibly helpful. Use it in real life. The ultimate test is to use what you've learned in real-life conversations. This will not only boost your confidence but also help you adjust your language use based on real-time feedback. Get feedback. Whenever possible, seek feedback from native speakers or language teachers. They can provide insights on your pronunciation, grammar, and overall language use, helping you to refine your skills further. By mirroring the pattern, learners can achieve improved pronunciation and intonation. You'll sound more like a native speaker. Enhanced vocabulary and expression. You'll learn new words and phrases and how to use them naturally. Better understanding of cultural nuances. Understanding the context in which certain phrases or expressions are used can be incredibly enriching. We hope this exploration of mirror the pattern has illuminated a powerful strategy in your English learning toolkit. Remember, language learning is a journey, and techniques like mirroring the pattern can make your path smoother and more enjoyable. Keep practicing, stay curious, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. They're all part of the learning process. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.